Today we are looking at the Autel EVO drone. A great choice in today's market. This one in particular is pretty cool. I have unboxed and we have the drone, the remote controller and some accessories. The accessories that should come with is USB cables for the remote controller to connect it to your smartphone. Also to charge the remote controller, the wall charger that charges the drone battery and the remote controller, and extra propellers as spares. It is pretty simple to understand the battery life of the drone. The battery is standalone, and as you can see, 1 second press reveals how many lights will light up. There are 4 lights, so 25% battery life is what you will have per light. My battery, as you can see, only has 1 lit up, so the battery life must not be greater than 25%. The drone will refuse to fly with low battery from the start. I am going to have to charge it before I can use the drone. Now we have to push the button on top of the battery and simultaneously push to the rear of the drone to dislodge the battery. The wall charger has a permanent cable that on the other end we need to hook the battery to it. The battery rear lights will flash from left to right and will do this timer as the battery levels go up, and when it is fully charged the lights will turn off. Now it is time to reinstall the battery to the drone. Let's see the remote controller and the drone link up. It is best to power on the controller first before the drone. Then the reverse when powering off. The lights on the drone have meaning. I highly recommend to get or use the manual for this drone as it provides a surprisingly clear explanation on how to operate it. Okay, now we are ready to take this bad boy outside and my peer will showcase why it is one of the best drones you can get in the market.
There's a lot of reasons why someone might choose this. You're going to probably end up losing sight of this a little bit, and you're not going to be fine with both Apple or Android devices. I did notice, however, that with the iPhone 7 Plus that I was using one time with this controller, the drone would lose image transmission if I were to open up another app and then come back to the Autel Explorer app, after a few seconds. So then I had to unplug the remote control from the phone and then plug it back in, and then it would work. So that was a little, I don't know, nerve-wracking, I guess, but otherwise it worked out fine. Another thing I was bummed out about is the gimbal doesn't tilt up past 0 degrees with the horizon. So if you're trying to get a nice shot of a sunset, or at least tilt the drone up to see something above 0 degrees, you're just not really gonna get the shot. And there are a couple times where I was trying to get that shot and I was really disappointed that this does not tilt up past 0 degrees. I've also noticed that the drone acts a little price. I'm impressed by the video. I'm impressed with how well it can hang with the competitors at a similar price point. I didn't know what to think about a new drone that looked so similar to a Mavic Pro, but honestly it hangs and it does so really well.